Jeremy of the Computer Science Course Assistance, and today I'm going to show you how to download the Python interpreter for your Python class. So first off, you're going to want to go ahead and open up your browser and type in Python, and it should be the first option here from python.org. Go ahead and click on that, and then we'll hit downloads right here, and then download Python 3.8.2. And it'll start down here. Once that's finished, we'll go ahead and click on it. And just make sure to check this box right here that says add Python 3.8 to path. And then we'll go ahead and click install now. Alright, after that, it'll show that the setup was successful, and we can actually just go ahead and close it, and that is it. This has been Jeremy. Thank you for watching.